In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on Basecamp. Whether you're managing a project or simply sharing documents with your team, learning how to effectively use Basecamp's Docs and Files tool is essential for smooth collaboration. So, let's dive right in and explore each step to get your files uploaded in no time. First, you'll want to start by opening the Docs and Files tool within the project you're working on. To do this, simply navigate to your project dashboard. Once there, you'll see a list of tools available on the page, and among them is Docs and Files. Clicking on this tool will direct you to a new interface where you can see all documents and files associated with that particular project. This tool is like your project's filing cabinet, a place to neatly store all essential files and documents that your team might need to access or review. Once you're in the Docs and Files section, your next step is to locate the plus New button at the top left corner of the page. This button is your gateway to uploading new files. It's designed to be easily accessible, ensuring that you can swiftly add new content without hassle. Clicking on this button will open up an interface for file uploads. Now, it's time to get your file ready. You have a couple of options for this. If you know exactly where your file is located on your computer, you can simply drag and drop the file into the Basecamp interface. This drag and drop method is quick and convenient, especially when you're managing multiple file uploads simultaneously. Alternatively, you can click the Select a File option. This will open a file browser window, allowing you to navigate through your computer's storage to find and select the file you wish to upload. After you've selected your file, it's all about making sure your file is properly titled and organized. Basecamp gives you the option to rename the file if needed. This feature is particularly useful when you want to ensure clear communication among team members. A descriptive, well-organized file name can save everyone a lot of time and confusion down the road. Another handy feature within Basecamp is the ability to leave a note with your file. This is an excellent way to provide additional context about the document or highlight specific points of interest for your team. You can opt to notify relevant teammates about the new file as well. This ensures that everyone who needs to be in the loop is automatically informed without you having to send separate messages. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to upload files to Basecamp, ensuring your project's documents are organized and accessible to your entire team. Remember, good file management is key to successful teamwork and keeping everyone on the same page. Thanks for watching, and happy uploading.